Beautiful Sunday. Nakapag-relax na ba ang lahat? Hello, hello, beautiful people! This is my ordinary life and I'm inviting you to enjoy it with me and roll. It's Sunday, it's beach day. It's so silaw. Yan. And nagtatawag yung sabya, guys. Book over there. Over there. Beautiful Sunday. Nakapag-relax na ba ang lahat? Kasi kami, nakapag-grounding na. Grounding sa nature. Naka-triple sunscreen tayo for today's video. Face Republic, Says Lady, and DMRS. If you know, you know. Alam nyo kung saan na lugar ito. So, this is yung broken bridge. Broken bridge. Hindi siya bridge. Parang bridge na din. So, nakapag ano na rin ako dito before. Pictorial. Picture taking last year. That was June. So, ayan. So, that's all muna. Ay, pogi na baby ko. Isa yun? Napag. Ngayon.
Silaw.
This program is brought to you by Mr. Squirrel's Spicy Beef Rice. Okay, very safe sa mga health conscious. This is made from shirataki rice. So, ready to eat na after 12 minutes. Matagal ko na tong gustong baunin. Ngayon ko lang naisipan talaga. Kasi, parang nakakagutom pag nasa tubig. Yung pato. A vloggerist. Charot. Ayan. Baka may chocolate yung ngipin ko. So, that was, sponsored by Cloud9. Choco fudge, tsaka yung regular. Tapos, kape. Syempre. And meron kami din na baon na DIY electrolyte, of course. Hindi yan mawawala. Makukuha tayo kakaano dito. Hampas. So, yun. Let me show you. Ano laman yun? Hirap naman kasi. Ayan. Masarap siya. Promise. Basta ako gusto ko to. Okay. Kain. Mukbang by the beach. Meron na siyang built-in. Meron na siyang dalang ganito na built-in. Kain tayo, guys. Saglit lang. Huwag sayangin ang pagkain. Sarap. Promise. Anghang siya. Sarap ng anghang niya. Tambok ba ko, be? Kumambok, kumata. Alright! Time to go home! Nabutan na naman yung aming gamit ng alon. So that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from our little world to yours. Love, love, love. Bye!